Alright, so today I'm going to be opening up Pokemon Jungle First Edition Booster Pack. Alright, wish me luck, everybody. I feel like I should be using scissors for this. And hopefully I don't cut a card. Alright, so I think it's 3 from the back. I could be wrong with these older decks.
Skip this video if you don't love your mother. Which place would you choose for your mother? Click the follow, like, and share buttons if you choose heaven. I give you 3 seconds to choose.
Yeah, that's my kind of Pokemon.